boost your website's visibility in search engines. Welcome to our comprehensive SEO tutorial. In this guide, we'll cover the essential strategies and techniques to optimize your website and improve its visibility in search engine rankings. To kick off, let's start with the fundamentals. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. Learn about keyword research, meta tags, and on-page optimization. Understand the importance of user experience, mobile friendliness, and website speed. On-page optimization. Discover how to optimize individual web pages to increase their visibility. We can explore techniques like keyword optimization, creating compelling titles and meta descriptions, optimizing heading tags, and using internal linking effectively. Additionally, we are able to delve into the importance of quality content, image optimization, and URL structure. Off-page optimization. Uncover the power of off-page optimization in improving your website's search engine rankings. We'll discuss the significance of building high-quality backlinks, leveraging social media signals, and engaging in guest blogging. Furthermore, we'll highlight the importance of online reputation management and brand building. Technical SEO focuses on website infrastructure and performance. Learn about website crawling, indexing, and sitemaps. Discover how to optimize your website's load speed, mobile responsiveness, and site architecture. Understand the significance of structured data markup and how to use it to enhance search engine visibility. Monitoring and analytics. Track your SEO efforts with monitoring and analytics tools. Learn how to set up Google Analytics, analyze keyword rankings, and monitor website traffic. Gain insights into user behavior, bounce rates, and conversions. Use data to refine your SEO strategies and improve your website's performance. Hope you have gained some valuable insights into optimizing your website for search engines. Implement these techniques to boost your website's visibility and drive organic traffic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.